Hi, I'm Nick Barron with Feedall Automation, and this is our turnkey flex feeding demo with Feedall's 1624 and 6 Clock 2D camera, powered by the SIM1012 device, as well as the NanoScan safety system. This system provides an all-in-one part feeding solution that's flexible to various part types, quick to train, very simple to set up, and ultimately the best flex feeder we think is out in the market today. The main components of our system include the feeder, where parts recirculate, providing pickable solutions for the camera to see and guide the robot. SICK has developed a fantastic custom application for the SIM1012 device that instructs the Clock 2D camera to run 3 routines that are really important. First is monitoring the number of parts on the table at any one time. If we run short, it automatically meters more parts from our hopper onto the recirculating feeder. The second function it does is it anticipates those pickable parts entering the zone that we've designated to pick parts from. And the third, final, and most important function is sending those coordinates to the robot to go and pick the part to feed into your process. 6 NanoScan 3 monitors the area around the flex feeder cell. So as the operators approach the cell, the robot will dynamically slow down, providing all operators a safe work environment. Feedall's part feeding expertise extends beyond flex feeding. We partner with all of our customers to select the best materials and surfaces for their parts. In this case, we've used a slide brush material made by Mink Burston, which provides a biased brush material resulting in recirculation of our parts with only a single coil and very simple feeder architecture underneath. We know that one size does not fit all. Feedall provides a range of sizes for both flex feeders and hopper capacities. So we do our best to match you with the right product for your process, your cell, and your application. But most importantly, your parts.